Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Go get the mail. Go get the mail. Put your slippers on. Put your slippers on. Help me carry the groceries. Help me carry the groceries. Don't buy another funny hat. Don't buy another funny hat.
Bring me another pillow, please.
Don't let the dog come inside. Don't let the dog come inside.
Don't put salt in my tea again. Don't put salt in my tea again.
Don't stay outside too long. Don't stay outside too long. Give the bird some bread. Give the bird some bread. Don't leave crumbs on the sofa. Don't leave crumbs on the sofa. Please trim the small plants today. Please trim the small plants today. Don't leave your dentures in the bathroom. Don't leave your dentures in the bathroom.
Turn the fan on for me. Turn the fan on for me.
Clean your glasses. Clean your glasses. Don't drop the glasses. Don't drop the glasses.
Please save me the last cookie. Please save me the last cookie.
Here. Please stop feeding the pigeons. Please stop feeding the pigeons.
He shouldn't have done that.
Don't talk during the movie. Don't talk during the movie. Put the milk back in the fridge. Put the milk back in the fridge. Don't forget to call the doctor. Don't forget to call the doctor. Please sit in the shade outside. Please sit in the shade outside. Don't take that old umbrella. Don't take that old umbrella. Watch where you're walking. Watch where you're walking. Please stop snoring so loudly. Please stop snoring so loudly. Don't scare the birds away. Don't scare the birds away. Come and taste this soup. Come and taste this soup. Please hang the towels outside. Please hang the towels outside. Don't complain about my cooking today. Don't complain about my cooking today. Please slow down while walking. Please slow down while walking.
Don't feed the dog from the table. Don't feed the dog from the table.
Bring me a warm blanket. Bring me a warm blanket.
Don't forget our anniversary tomorrow. Don't forget our anniversary tomorrow. Help me carry these bags. Help me carry these bags.
Don't burn the toast again. Don't burn the toast again.
Please turn the kettle on. Please turn the kettle on.
Take the chicken out of the oven. Take the chicken out of the oven. Don't forget to smile today. Don't forget to smile today.
Come and watch this show. Come and watch this show. Please cut the cake carefully. Please cut the cake carefully.
Don't buy more cookies today. Don't buy more cookies today. Take your vitamins after breakfast. Take your vitamins after breakfast. Please fold the laundry neatly. Please fold the laundry neatly. Please sweep the kitchen floor. Please sweep the kitchen floor. Don't forget to charge your phone. Don't forget to charge your phone. Let the soup cool down first. Let the soup cool down first. Don't leave the lights on upstairs. Don't leave the lights on upstairs.
Please peel the potatoes. Please peel the potatoes.
Don't leave your socks there. Don't leave your socks there. Don't fall asleep on the sofa. Don't fall asleep on the sofa. Don't forget the shopping list. Don't forget the shopping list.
Put more rice on my plate. Put more rice on my plate.
Please close the fridge door. Please close the fridge door. Wash your hands before dinner. Wash your hands before dinner. Don't argue with the neighbor again. Don't argue with the neighbor again. Please check the mailbox. Please check the mailbox. Don't stay up too late tonight. Don't stay up too late tonight. Stop hiding the remote control. Stop hiding the remote control.
Come and sit beside me. Come and sit beside me.
Please answer the phone. Please answer the phone. Put your coat on outside. Put your coat on outside. Please feed the cat now. Please feed the cat now.
Bring the newspaper inside. Bring the newspaper inside.
Sit down and rest your legs. Sit down and rest your legs.
Please bring me my glasses. Please bring me my glasses.
Don't forget your medicine today. Don't forget your medicine today.
Turn the TV down a little. Turn the TV down a little. Make some tea for us. Make some tea for us.
Don't eat too much sugar. Don't eat too much sugar.
Open the window, please. Open the window, please.
Water the flowers before lunch. Water the flowers before lunch. Stop here.
Help.
Stop here. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Close the window. Close the window. Follow me. Follow me. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up.
Up.
Be careful. Be careful.